Hi friends, today we will discuss how we can configure the Spring project. So very first actually we have to visit the Spring Initializer website. So we can type Spring Initializer. Here actually we have to select the few things and we have to mention the dependencies. So we are about to create the Maven project using language Java. So I have selected the Maven as a project and language as a Java, and here are several Spring Boot versions are available. I'm selecting 3.2.2, and like we can specify here group artifact a name, description, and package name, and the configuration like we require the jar or the var file and the Java version. So here I'm keeping the same, and here in the dependencies I'm adding the Spring Web as a dependency. So actually what it will include the Apache Tomcat as an embedded server and provide the support for the Spring MVC as well as a boot. So we will generate. So it will download the zip file. In the downloads we can see this file. So here the zip is available, so we will extract that. So here this file is extracted, and now we have to go to the Eclipse. Sorry, I'm using Spring Tool suite. So here through file we have to select on import. We have to click on the existing Maven project. We have to browse to the downloads. Here this is the extracted file. We have to select and open. Now actually I am unable to click this because that project name is a demo only, and in my STS actually demo is already there. So in that case we have to click on advanced, and we have to name the template. Like I am writing here demo 2. We can type anything that is not listed in the left side in the project explorer, that is demo, and demo 1 is already available there. So we will write something that is not available, demo 2, then that will be clickable, and I will click on finish. Yes, so now demo 2 is created here. So we will check. Now here demo application is the means this is the main application for our project, and here Spring Boot application is their annotation. So actually what it does, so at the rate Spring Boot application is like in our pom.xml or whatever dependencies we provide, actually it will auto configure that things, and second one, it will make the component scan. So what is component scan? Actually whatever this is our main package com.example.demo. So going forward we will create a few classes, so that will be the part of the means that will be part of the sub package. So the Spring Boot application, when we run our application, it will scan all the beans which are means which are part of this package, and all the sub package it will scan all the beans. So this is the main application. We have to run this. I am running as a Spring Boot app. So actually when I run this application, so I'm getting this error like port number 8080 is already in use. So in that case actually we can do two things for this problem. Very first one, like we can identify like which service is running on the port number 8080, and we can kill that. And second one is like we can use another port. So through application.properties we can specify the server.port. We can specify here. So we can specify server.port. Just 1 minute. server.port and whatever like port we are about to use. So I'm typing 8888. So I want to use this port. Now when I run on this application, actually it will start. Yes, so now our project, now we did two steps, like we created the project from Spring Initializer, and second one we changed the port. Now actually we wanted to create our first endpoint, so I will create one controller for that. So if you notice here, like we have to specify the package name. So that will be the com example dot demo, and dot after that we have to specify our package. So that will be when our application will run. So at the rate Spring Boot application annotation will like scan all the sub packages and the classes which are inside the com example dot demo and dot whatever we specify there. So I'm creating one demo controller package. Package name should start from the small letters. So we have created this package, and we will create now one REST controller that is a welcome controller. Yes, so that is created, and now actually we have to specify here that this bean is this is a bean, and REST controller, by using the REST controller, like when we hit a particular request from the browser, so the dispatcher controller or the front controller or the front servlet, that is the first one who received that request. So later it will check all the REST controllers for the mapping. So here we will specify our mapping. So we will create one method. Hello, this is our first endpoint. So this is the plain method. So we have to specify mapping for that. So uh, so we can create by using two ways. Like first one, we will add the request mapping. Inside the request mapping is the annotation, like where we specify like what is the like method type for our endpoint, like that is HTTP GET or POST or PUT. And second one is the value for that, like from the browser when we hit a particular URL, then in that case like when this method should get trigger. So here we will specify both things. So here we will specify first method. So so we are specifying this as a HTTP GET method, and we will provide value for this. This is the first approach. We will check this. Yes, our application is running. Now we will check on Postman. So in the Postman, we are typing our local host. Actually, we can use here IP address as well and the port number which we are using. And here the method type is a get. So when we click on this, so we got this response. Hello, this is our first endpoint. Similarly, we can specify the mappings in the another way. So here actually we are specifying this as a HTTP GET method. So there is another more specific annotation for that. We can use GET mapping, and there itself we can specify the value. So this is the another way. The first one which I commented is the more generic way, means the generic way where we have to specify the method and value for that. But now there are more specific annotations, like if we wanted to specify the method as a get, we can directly use it as a get mapping, and the value which we are using we can directly specify inside the more specific annotation, that is the double colon slash. So we will check this. Our application is started and we are hitting the same request, the get method, and the localhost or the IP address and the port number. When we hit on this, hello, this is our first endpoint. Yes, so actually, we did three things here. We By using the Spring initializer, we downloaded the Maven project. Then what we did, through our IDE, we imported that zip, and then later actually we changed the port number. Actually, the another service was running on 8080. The default port for this Spring project is actually the tomcat is embedded, so that will run on the 8080 port. So we can change this using in the application properties, the server.port. We can specify what port we wanted to use, and then later actually we created the sub package, means the child package inside the com example.demo, and we have created our first endpoint. So the REST controller, using the REST controller and the REST and the get mapping. So using the REST controller, we can specify, like here mappings are written, and this is the controller class. This is the servlet where we can specify the mappings. And for this double slash means for this only for the only a single slash, we have specified the mapping. Through Postman, we can hit the same. So actually, just 1 minute. If we type this, then actually we are getting the same response, and when we remove this forward slash, then also we will get the same, because when we hit on the send button, even we did not type the forward slash, it will automatically concat into this URL. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.